wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you missed my last two videos, then you are late to the party and knowing that I did just move. Probably hear this echo in here. So you know, things are a little all over the place. That's why content hasn't been pushed out like it normally is on my channel. But you know, it should be back to normal very soon. You know, I'm trying to figure out like what I can do so that like it's still something you would want to watch with the limited things that I have here. So I figured, why not do a haul of everything that I bought since I've been here. So if you guys want to see all of that, then let's go. So the first thing I have is this book, which I think I talked about in one of the vlogs that I uploaded, but this is Soul Therapy, a 365-day journal for self-exploration, healing, and reflection. And I've been using it for like a week so far, and it's really just like a positivity book, you know, a self-reflection, you know, asking questions that make you think about positive thoughts, that make you think about your future, where you want to go in life, stuff like that. So far, I like it. I recommend it. If you want to check it out, everything that I talk about will be linked in the description and down below. But a good way of starting out my mornings, especially, you know, I'm in a new place. I've got a lot of feelings and stuff going on right now, so definitely a good way to get them out. The next thing I got is from Coach, and again, those Instagram ads are just going to keep getting me because this is where I came across this, but they're this Bangle Set that they have here. You get both, which I thought was pretty cool. One of them has just a cute little C's, I think it's the gray one, going around, or maybe it's both of them. No, it's just the silver one that have the little C going around, and then some of them have the little heart notches and stuff like that. I like that there's a silver and a gold one, because y'all know I have the silver and the gold JBW watch, so I can wear them separately, I can wear them together. And this was only like $50. It was on sale for like $50. So I was like, sure, why not throw it in the bag. I got a yoga mat because I left my other one in New York and I need to start working out again. I did mention this. I've lost a lot of weight with this whole you know, move process. Of course, like, you're not eating the same, you don't have the same time to work out and stuff like that. So I need to gain back all the weight that I definitely just lost over this move. So I got this, I've got my computer, I've got a protein powder right now. It's not the one that I was using. Still waiting on that one to come, but you know, like, something is better than nothing. So I got this off Amazon, you know, super basic color, stuff like that. Feels pretty sturdy, you know, because you don't want anything too mushy, but you don't want anything too hard either. Who wants to feel like they're working out on bricks? So I got house slippers. Again, Instagram ads got me. I was on there, I saw them, I was like, oh, you know, I need house slippers because I'm not gonna wear shoes around my place, right? So I saw these and I was like, why not? Hopefully they look like what I imagined. What I saw in the ads. This is what they look like. What color is this? Because I don't think I got the gray one. I got Oyster, I think is what this color. Yeah, I got Oyster. These are in a size 8. They fit snug. Mind you, I'm a 7.5. They fit snug, but also from all the years that I worked in shoe retail, if you buy Uggs, you want to buy them snug because they stretch over time. So I'm a 7.5. So if you use me as a reference, stuff like that, get the 8. But they're cute. I feel like they match, you know, my apartment and stuff like that. So I got house slippers. Yay for that. So I'm really not a bag girl like that, you know, purses, I gotta have this bag, I need to have that one. I'm really not like that, but I saw this one, I was like, I need to have it. I don't know why. I don't know, it's giving kind of like I can use it as an errand bag. It's big enough where I can throw more things in this compared to the Coach bag that I showed you guys. Well, yeah, compared to the Coach bag, maybe, that I showed in my last collective haul video, but this is it right here. It is from Jacquemus. How you say that brand name, I'm assuming. So this is what, if I can get it out, that bag looks like. Come on. I feel like this is a cute little, you know, everyday bag, just throw it on and go. Can go with a lot of things. Got this black pocket right here. It can slip little things in, and then I don't know if you can notice this, but this part right here is like attached to the back, so it doesn't come out. You know, you can push it down if you want to, let it show if you want to, and then that is the space that it's got going on in there. So I saw this one, I was like, I have to have it, but I don't know, I'm just not big on like buying this bag and that one. You know, I've got that black one, I've got this lighter color. I have some colored bags, so I'm like, I'll probably be good for a while. Don't quote me on that though, because obviously I have a problem. If I see it and I like it, I'll probably end up getting it. Okay, this one is the star of the show, and in my mind, I'm telling myself that this was a moving gift to myself, right? So this is the box. Actually, if you ever saw the video where I unboxed the graduation gift that I got from my parents, I said in that video I probably won't want another pair of his shoes like ever again. Mind you, that was after owning So Kate's, wearing them, seeing what that experience is like, which again, it's a nice shoe to have in your collection, but like walking on them, I don't know about all that. But this one, you know, she changed my mind. Like, you can always change my mind if it's worth it. So young Miami from City Girls, she was in a outfit, I'll have a picture pop up or something, where she was wearing that designer's shoes are bomb as well. I'll probably want one of those in the future. Like, I am a shoe girl. I'm not a bad girl, but I'm a shoe girl. I'll probably want one of those in the future. It's Renee, I can't remember the name right now, but she was wearing like a red version of them, right? And I'm like, I want those shoes, but I don't know if I couldn't find them. Maybe they're newer shoes or something like that. And then I saw these, and they kind of give me like that same vibe of that shoe. And I was like, well, I found those, I'm seeing those, so why not go ahead and get them? So this is what these shoes, look at the red on red. Listen, I had to do it, okay? I had to do it when I saw them. This is in a size, ooh. Where's the, oh, it should be on the bottom. This is in a size 38, which translates to an 8, right? I'm a 7.5. The So Kate, I think I have to wear a 38.5, but you know, like that's a closed toe shoe, stuff like that. But this is what, this one, I am in love with this shoe. And a good old gift to me, okay? Again, a worth it gift to me. I ain't got no complaints. I did what I had to do. These are the two together, and you see how they're kind of giving me the same vibes, the kind of the other shoe, but not so much. But I might actually like this one better than the other ones. I'm gonna still get a pair of her shoes, just maybe not those red ones. But this one, if you've seen this big old box behind me the entire video, and if you watched my last vlog and you heard me talk about it, I got an iMac because I don't want to be editing on my laptop anymore, you know, bigger screen, stuff like that. So, and like this computer is just going to be, you know, like my social media work computer, like laptop. Actually, I'll probably use my laptop as like a gaming, my Sims computer. I know I am very behind on any Sims content, but they just did a patch that like broke the whole, and that's the thing, like when you use mods, like they just did a patch that broke the whole game, so I have to redo that over again. So by the time you actually finish it, they have a new update that breaks it all over again. So I will figure that out with my laptop, but I got a new iMac. I don't have anywhere to put it, that's why it's still in the box, but once, you know, like it'll probably be in a vlog or something like that, once I do break this bad boy out. And the internet here is a lot faster than when I was back home. And the last thing I got, I was there, I've never had a pair before, so I was like, sure, why not, you know, just throw it in the bag. I got Airpods with a little charging case, I think, I don't know. Cause I know there's a difference between Airpods, like AirPod Pro and whatnot. I don't know, I just got, I'm assuming like the most simplest version you can get. So far so good. I will probably have an issue with like losing these, but you know, I'm not even gonna speak that into existence. I am going to keep these in a place where I will always be able to find them and live my best life. And yeah, y'all, that is all the shopping that I have done so far. That's not, you know, like home decor related, you know, toilet paper, stuff like that. Just like random things that I saw and I wanted to pick up. That's everything that I've gotten so far since I've been here. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description down below. You know, let me know about some of your latest purchases in the comments down below so I don't feel so guilty about, you know, a little splurge here and there. Let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.